What's up, y'all? Cajun from Edgyvette. We're going to be doing a short series on our conversion of our 2016 shop car, this ZO6 here, from its OEM LT4 supercharger to the PTS single turbo kit with G1 Pro sheet metal intake, G1 Pro custom billet fuel rails, and the CR fueler from Crawford Racing in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is just a short blurb to let you know that we're going to have this package up listed on our website within about the next week. We believe that this is the future of achieving big horsepower on a budget with the fuel system, especially the low side of the C7 Corvette. So stay tuned for in-depth discussions about how we did this, what it's produced as far as power, and again, what we believe is the next generation of making power in the C7 Corvette and Camaro platform.